This is another do-it-yourself project that I did. I built this actually about 12-15 years ago. This is an above-ground pond. You can put goldfish in or a couple of koi. It's not very big. How I built this koi pond or fish pond. This is actually down by my barn. I found some repurposed concrete blocks that someone was throwing away. I actually built the actual structure by using blocks across the back and then around, all the way around to make a shape. Then I took my pond liner that I purchased from Home Depot, laid it across the inside, and then I actually did buy some of these flat sandstones, and then I concreted them around the top. Then I just had rocks that was found around the property that I concreted around the outside. Just stacked them, put concrete behind them and in between them, and then used all those around. Then you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and purchase just a small pump system that goes under the water. This one has the little BioBalls filters in it. And then I just purchased this frog. You can run out of the pump a line that goes up to make the water come out. Then also found, like on the Craigslist, some people who were giving away some pond plants. So I got the lilies, all these different pond plants to go inside. So it's pretty simple. You can build your own pond near your house or your barn like I did for inexpensive if you look and search on the Craigslist and different places for free materials. And with minimal cost you can purchase the liner and the pump fairly reasonable. So for fairly cheap you can build something beautiful. Hope you've enjoyed it. Hope it's been helpful. Check back to my site for more do-it-yourself projects.